So how we gonna start that? We gonna start from over here? Alright. So I'm gonna have y'all step back. Y'all step back. Yeah, we're gonna go one step at a time. I'm gonna have y'all two step over here. Go in the middle. Little booty, big booty, spread booty, all of that. You wanna go? Come on. Hey, you better turn her up. Turn her up. Boy, you better turn her up. All right, y'all.
Let's go, little booty. Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Y'all got it. Let's get it.
Let's go, Kyle.
I'm gonna fall out. I'm all the fuck out.
Yo, we need some.
Ain't no way. They patty in the ball.
Alright, we already went to
Coco and Snowflake.
that's
Boston Flag. Nah, but
okay.
scrubbed around, man.
Yeah, she scored the green.
You scrubbed around with that neck at the bottom of your chin and everything. Hey, your coochie got spinners, man.
Yes. Hey, that's called candy paint. Candy paint. Alright, y'all. Sorry. What's your name gonna be? Because we're gonna introduce you. What you want? Let's go. Okay, but they stick that.
This is motherfucker standing on business.
Make some noise for Coco, y'all.
Make some noise for Coco.
All right,
girl. You got Taylor Swift with your
All right, make some noise for Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. All right, Taylor Swift.
Taylor, you right right now, girl.
Taylor, listen, go on,
We need, who we need? I want to say my pickles from later.
All right.
My pickles go last.
We need.
Come on, 2 light brights.
Is it the light bright?
It's the light brights.
Okay.
2 light brights.
We got
Sexy Red.
we got Wendy's.
Wendy's versus who?
McAllister's.
Wendy's versus McAllister.
We got the 4-for-4 versus the Big 2. All right. Y'all knew y'all was thinking about them comedy show. I'm sorry. I do like Wendy's, but sometimes I want. All right. Shit, they ready.
They ready.
Ladies, come on now.
You right here with me. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches.
All this jig, I need something. Boom, 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 boom.
That was alright right now. I can't even.
Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, knock out.
Like, fuck all
Yeah, that
this
was
shit.
alright.
I need to see some motherfucking ass shake.
Trying to get on the
They
stage.
trying to go fast and shit. They ain't got fast
Climb
with
up
me.
there,
We need some New Orleans bouncing something.
on this real
Yeah, we
quick.
need
Come back
some.
get on the stage.
Are
you real?
I like that ass. Woo, they got some natural ass.
They do.
Y'all bitches thought I was gay, bitch. I'm like, hey, you. Y'all done made these bitches shake so much ass, they about to up the price on us, bitch. 10 bitch.
So what we doing?
All right, y'all make some noise, Wendy's. Okay, put Jimmy. Okay.
All right. Make some noise for McAllister.
McAllisters.
Damn, bro. You
All right, Wendy's girls. Go get your hand, bitch.
Get her some water.
She need an inhaler. Wendy need to go put some pigtails. All right.
What we call the next one, bro? You know we gonna be messy, so we gonna be funny as fuck.
I don't know. Let's bring this next. Let's do our next one. This gonna come
It's the
out.
thick girl. It's the thick
It's the
one.
thick girl. Where she at? Where y'all had at?
Where your hand?
Where y'all had at? Here she go. Here's one.
Here go one.
This is she made the yard get quiet. Okay.
It's gonna be a hot.
We gonna have to call her we gonna call her Patty Cake Baker's Man. How many nuts can you get out of
This can.
Okay, Patty Cake Baker's Man. Alright. Our next one, come on.
I like this one, though. This the one gonna put your shoes under the bed, cook you a good meal.
Yeah.
Cook you a good meal. She's like, baby. She's like, baby, you better how long day at work? I suck your dick.
Okay. No, we ain't nickname for her.
We need a nickname for you.
We gonna call her the what's some little things you get and they come before in the pack you give them to the kids, the muffins? The little bites! Little bites! We gonna call her little bites. Cause you know you eat them motherfuckers, you know how you try to take some from the kids. You throw 3 of them bitches back, you're like, damn, there's one left of that motherfucker. Yeah, that's
So
what
we got
bitch.
pancakes and little bites.
We got patty cake, baked plus man.
No, we got patty cake and Jiffy. Jiffy. Cornbread bread, baby. Jiffy. That's
They
Jiffy.
call me feels very doubtful.
On a champion, black, big and black. You already know what it's in for.
Oh shit.
So you jump up in a man, ride up in a Volvo.
Okay. It's okay. Look. I'm gonna make this known. I did it last year. If you are a motherfucking dancer, entertainer, or stripper at night, Miss Patty Cake. You're dancing like you at work, bitch, and you ain't. I need you to dance. Cause she's killing you out. She's killing you out. But you win it because you got the shockwave. That's all I'm gonna say. But she's killing you out. Don't forget the messy ladies with the judges. Yeah. Don't forget it. I need you to throw that motherfucker.
Y'all gotta twerk.
You got most men
Crazy curvy baby, big titties, don't wait. But they still wanna know I'm making it. But you won't get your baby back.
Bust it, baby, bust it. Bust it, baby, bust it. This is on the audience. This is on the audience. Okay. All right. They need a tiebreaker. So we got Jiffy right here. And what was her name?
Patty Cake.
Now Patty Cake. Okay. We're gonna start off with. Patty Cake. Breakfast, man. Make some noise.
Okay. We got Big Jiffy.
All right. The audience up themselves. Let's get the three ringing up. We're up.
Jiffy, come on, baby. Come on, little Jiffy.
She finna win it.
Oh, shit.
Come on, y'all three. It's about to drop.
Go ahead. Let's go, friend. She about to see you.
Alright, just make sure everyone's out here networking.
Please make sure y'all out
Make
here
sure y'all exchanging information. There's a lot of people who got
Come on, holders.
Hold on, wait, twerk masters. When I walked in and put it back on her shirt, I said, yeah, bitch,
That's holders. One. What up, though?
We got yellow cake, vanilla cake, and chocolate cake. We got 3-layer cake. Okay, I don't think you need this. Okay, the rules for box. It's gonna be the last twerker standing.
Shit, recording for bro. He up there.
are we doing the last two? So we're gonna do a Baba drop. So what we gonna, nah, we just gonna
These hoes is twerking for T-Bands.
We're gonna do Baba drop. Alright? So
We can do two. It's gonna be hard. We can do a box drop right here the next time. So the rules is box drop for this round. We're gonna do 2 rounds. If you get up
That nigga climbed up her.
you out, bitch.
you need to show your knees and you show your muscle movement. You need to twerk your ass like you're not gonna twerk it before. You need to scrub the ground like you're trying to scrub the paint off the ground. Alright?
Her knees already burnt.
DJ's on you. Let's go.
I see old.
I seen that shit, nigga. Her knees already fucked up. The Rusted Frog in New Albany.
You cut your knee, trying to get you. Where's the artist?
Oh shit!
Alright, I'll make sure you cut your knee, trying to get 2K, bitch. You said, all coochie, your coochie for 2K, bitch.
Bitch, your coochie been stripping on this little hoe right here the whole time.
For 2K shit, I'ma scrub out, bitch. That's Ring, LGD, T-Mobile. A firm, a Clarabelle, bitch, all of it. I'm doing it all for my motherfucking 2K, bitch. I'ma scrape my knees, bend my back, and get my hair cut like Taylor Swift.
And she's still going.
I ain't too bob you, bitch. I ain't too bob her. She like Amber Rosa with a short, with a perm. You like Amber Rosa with a perm. Alright, so where's the artist that we ready to get cracking? Brody's already here. Alright, y'all. This is another bop I drop. So if I was you, I'd take your moves light, then go into what you need to, and then
But
maintain.
can we see something different? Y'all ain't even
Yeah, hey, you can't keep it on the floor, keep doing that. On floor.
You can't look like a dead roach. She look like a roach in a flat screen TV with the Big Macs, bitch.
Okay.
I'm just playing with you.
No, he's dead serious. Okay. But where's the artist is ready? We ready to get cracking. Bros right here. Let's get it cracking.
Yeah. Pressure, 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 feel my pressure up with this pressure, with that pressure, pressure. All I do is fall under pressure, pressure. Diamonds on my neck, make them pressure, pressure. Ask me how I feel no pressure, pressure. Feel my switcher up with this pressure, with that pressure. All I do is fall under pressure, Diamonds on my neck, make them pressure, Ask me how I feel no pressure, pressure.
Let's think like sister. We can say it's all ball like sister.
38 special, don't rock like a wrestler. That's the pressure for the shock, you get a Tesla.
Pressure, 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 diamonds on my neck, made for pressure. You ask me how I feel no pressure.
Pressure, pressure,
Hey, yeah.
pressure, pressure,
Take my pistol up with this pressure. All I do is ball under pressure. Diamonds on my neck, made for pressure. You ask me how I feel no pressure. Let's go. Hooters won that one.
All right, we got Fit Now versus Bob. We done turned y'all to Fit Now versus X-Fields. You a triple stack. And she's Fit Now, bitch. Shit. Cause at this point, I got to drop me a motherfucking freestyle. Shit, we got to do a freestyle. Shit. Hooters. Okay, you got one more for me. Hooters. One more song.
Let's go.
It's definitely deep on that bitch.
Oh, shit.
They on butter her too. They on butt.
Shit. What?
That nigga one holler. How that nigga get up there? You know me, I was on the damn. That nigga climbed up there. I feel like the stick, my man Ray Charles. Running in the chop, nigga, I'm a overshoot.
I'm my DJ, man. All you niggas
Niggas know I do.
you why she did a bitch, all the bitches.
Know the shit, I'm like, hold up, wait.
You know I'm SE, pockets on sumo, but I be on Pluto like I'm PBE. I'm really off it, that's the costume. Trying to speak to me, I feel like you always in the trap. I'm like, that's what I used to be. Fucking, I won't tell your secret safe, at least you can't get a buck. You ain't like us, we wiping over before you sneeze. I told her fuck with that she gon' see something she never seen.
Bend over.
Touch your knees.
I'm in love with baby Draco.
MC Hammer, popping it like a phantom. Bullets change like a champ.
Touch a lot of green, but I ain't playing baseball.
This block you gotta switch like it got a
snake wall. You can say me bitch, said it's taking cake off. I said with a stick, blind man, Ray Charles. Yeah, nothing.
It's not up for discussion. You gon' think it's me and Chris Money, the way up nigga
Crushing.
with a drink to the jaw, you gon' think he blushing. They gon' have to wipe this man talking like he rushing. Think he Superman. Oh, they let her go, get your super fan. I just get the money, stack it up and like a Superman. But with that stick, I got a stupid thing. Remember with that bitch, I made a real man. I hit that shit, now it's all you can stand. Once I feel the mission, I feel the mission way. You can say, nigga, get active, ain't no retracting, talking about whole lot. Bitch gon' get the spin down the wood, so roll up. Cut through flesh, slice through meat, looking like a cold cut. All wood his head, now the nigga dead like a cold cut. Nigga talk about the shit when they get drunk, the heater gon' slow him up. Like the people say this like he's sleeping.
Touch a lot of niggas, I ain't playing baseball. This rocket got a switch like it got a snake wall. You can see the bitch, so he's taking cake off. I say with a stick, blind man, Ray Charles. Stop blind the nigga. Snake wall. Cake off. I said, matter. Blind man.